Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today we will see how to design React components. I assume that you guys have some basic knowledge of React.js. So let's get started. As we all know that React.js is a world of components. Making a single component seems easy at first sight, but in practical it's complex to arrange components for beginners. So let's make it easy. Let me explain things theoretically first. First step is to break the UI components into a hierarchy. That means roughly outline every HTML DOM elements and sub-elements. Second one is to give name to all of them. Third one is to decompose components as much as possible. A component should ideally do one thing. If it ends up growing, it should be decomposed into smaller subcomponents as much as possible. Confused? Don't mind if you are not getting this explanation. Let's make it more simple. Here we have one free text search example. So we have one search box which is able to search items from database table. Below the search box is a result data. By default it will show all table data, and upon user input it will show only matching data. That's it. Simple, isn't it? Now the question is how to design React components for this simple functionality. Here is the answer. First component is entire functionality. So this is the parent component of all. Second one is search element, which receives all user input and it is child of first component. Third component is table, displays and filters the data collection based on user input, which is again a child of first component. Fourth one is category of resulted items, which is sub-component of third one. And last one is resulted items, displays the row for each product, which is again a sub-component of third one. Now let's arrange them into a hierarchy. Arrange them in either top to bottom or bottom to top hierarchy. Let's arrange them in top to bottom hierarchy. This is easy. As you can see here, components that appear within another component should appear as a child in the hierarchy. Here is the finalized hierarchy. Now you have finalized your component hierarchy. Next phase is to implement your app based on this design. Again, you can build top down or bottom up. That is, you can either start with building the components higher up in the hierarchy or with the ones that are lower in it. It's usually easier to go top down in simpler projects, and on larger projects it's easier to go bottom up. So you have to keep in mind these things and start your project accordingly. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to think about building components and applications with React. Let me have your suggestions in comment box. It will be a pleasure for me to solve your queries. That's it. Thanks for watching.